Elizabeth, the leasing agent, told me to go check this out, so I wanted to check it out on your behalf. This is the rooftop terrace. So I stepped out from the elevator. It wasn't really too far from the elevator, and now here's the rooftop terrace. So this is a very cute, kind of cozy terrace. They've got really some great views, and there is a grill over here with water, so you could have an event out here too. This would be fun. Well, let's take a look. Very, very nice. And then here's some two couches that are out here with a fire pit. So wow, this is some great views. Really, really nice. So this is Uptown. That's Lemon Avenue that this located on, and right over there is McKinney Avenue. The West Village is just just right up there. So super close. All of this is just quick walking access that we're looking at. And then over there towards that direction is downtown Dallas. Victory Park is over here. You can't really see it right now, but all of that is over there. Just a fantastic area, fantastic views, and I love it. Well worth it to come up here and experience this. This would be fun to enjoy. Okay, we're gonna go now see two more vacants and see what they look like, just in case you're looking right now, this might be a perfect apartment for you. Let's go look at those.